Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. Okay, let's start. Follow my all step. See your Meta AI option not showing. So let's see how to fix it. First, open your Play Store and update WhatsApp app. See my WhatsApp. I am already updated. Now click open. Now click on three dot menu. Now click on settings. Now scroll down and find help option. Click on option. Now click on help center. Click on contact us. Now type here your problem following my appeal text. Finally, successfully your request has been sent. Now wait 24 hours. Hope your problems